Hey there, my peeps. So I went ahead and I bought myself a pump sprayer. So pretty much, I'm going to replace those regular hand pump sprayers. Let me show you guys. Hold on. All right, my peeps. So yeah, so look, check it out. We're gonna replace these right here. All right, and we're gonna use these. Yeah. Open it up. Oh man, this sucks doing it with one hand. Yeah. All right, but it's open. Yeah. So. I know the lighting sucks. I know. Sorry about that. But doing the best I can. But yeah. So what I'm gonna do, my peeps, is spray my teas, man. I'll just this for foliar spraying. And yeah. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna use it. Because like I said, this this works, but when you get a lot, your fingers end up hurting, man. They start cramping up. So yeah, man, it was cool. It worked. It got the job done, but you gotta upgrade. You gotta be more efficient, be smarter, easy, and faster. It's faster and easier, and yeah, you're way more efficient. Yeah, because with this you have to keep refilling it and yeah, it's not cool. But with this, you should be able to take care of everything pretty quick. You know, hopefully. 1 gallon should be good enough, man. So it won't get too heavy and get all bulky to move around. But for what I'm doing, that's all I really need. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna foliar spray the topsoil of the earth box as I'm done. And pretty much what I want to do is I already fed it through here, 2 gallons. The reservoir holds up to supposedly 3 gallons, but no, it's actually 2 gallons and a half. Because if you put 3 gallons, it overfills, and you have to put some type of saucer or tray to collect the water. You see, and that's just barely that's 2 gallons. So you see, with 2 gallons and a half, you're good already. So what I'm gonna do, my piece, is use the enzymes to break down all this root matter, all the root matter, and also to make it pest resistant, and because it's actually for insects, you see, insecticide and fungicide. So yes, for pests, but at the same time, it's gonna help. The enzyme is gonna break down all the old organic and root matter. And I'm also gonna incorporate other things. I'm gonna show you guys in the video, but in a nutshell, that's why I bought this, so I can spray my things. So I'm gonna spray this up, and the other one right here, 2 of them. Yeah. So I want to dig this out, break it up, and do the whole process. I just wanna allow the enzymes to do all the breaking down, so I can just plant directly on top of it without having to disturb anything. You know what I mean? Just add the microbes and let them break it up. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do with Dr. Symes. Yeah, and there's just in case there's any larvae, any eggs of anything, I'll take care of it. So you know, that's multiple uses. But I'll show you guys that video in a bit of that formulation. Alright then, peace.